Derinsu. So much to see, so much to learn. Derinsu, Turkey's first and most experienced offshore survey and underwater engineering company. With 15 years of experience at the growing Turkish offshore survey market, Derinsu is a key provider of research for fields of offshore energy, subsea defence, marine environment and underwater engineering. Our capabilities enable us to perform offshore surveys for hydrography, oceanography, geophysics, geotechnical and environmental monitoring. Operating initially along the coastline of Turkey with over 1,000 stations, Derinsu is especially active in the sectors of energy, environmental and marine pollution research. Derinsu's marine environmental studies are crucial for designing any offshore or coastal structure. A good understanding provides a good basis for any coastal structure engineering specifications, introduces economies to the project, as well as enhancing its safety and operational efficiency. Understanding the value of offshore research, Derinsu developed, designed and launched Turkey's first and only private offshore scientific research vessel, RV Beluga. This vessel is unique as it can accommodate 8 engineers and operate independently for a full month without returning to port. The crew consists of Derinsu's expert marine sciences team, supported by academicians and environmental engineers. In research and operation, the RV Beluga complies with all kinds of safety standards of international discipline. On board the vessel, there is an ROV which can work to a depth of 1,500 meters with 3 camera systems, profiling sonars and multi-beam echo sounders. For marine research, RV Beluga has rosette system and CTD systems in order to research temperature, salinity and depth profiling. With the rosette system, Derinsu can do measurements in depths up to 5,000 meters. With the multi-beam echo sounders, Derinsu engineers can acquire the vision of the seabed in high resolution. It can determine and identify shipwrecks and observe deformations in pipelines. The RV Beluga has its own laboratory on the vessel, so analyses can be started immediately in a marine environment. Any samples taken from offshore research are sent to accredited laboratories and results are reported for clients. Derinsu gives great importance to working together with academic consultants from the world's best universities. The most important speciality of the research vessel is the lifters, anchor capstans, A-frames and the winch capacity. Backing up accuracy in measurements, RV Beluga uses a very sensitive satellite-controlled positioning system. Combined with short baseline systems for tracking the robot on the seabed, it is possible to navigate easily and stay on required point to make measurements. Derinsu is proud to be innovating offshore surveys for Turkey and to have used the skills of Turkish engineers to design and build the first private Turkish offshore scientific research vessel, RV Beluga. Derinsu has made essential contributions to projects such as Marmaray Immersed Tunnel Project at Istanbul, Turkey-Greece Offshore Pipeline Project, TANAP Trans-Anatolian Pipeline Project, Akkuyu Nuclear Power Project Turkey. The seas around Turkey are fascinating, and Derinsu has much to contribute to those who desire to explore and discover more about their fascinating environment. whether in the Mediterranean Sea, Aegean Sea, Marmara or Black Sea, from Gibraltar to Levant. Derinsu is committed to discovering the secrets of science held beneath the waves down to the oceans.